G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and have you almost died today? Because I have, we'll get to that in just a little bit, but I need to make a little special video to let you know what is going on with the holiday season. Ho, 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 having some fun. Yes, you can click off this video, just give me like 60 seconds to explain it, that's all I'm asking. Number one, you are important, you are cared about. If you are sitting around on Christmas Day and you want to have a good time and maybe you can't make it to hang out with friends and family, like, man, I wish I had something to do, you're in luck because I'm going to be running a Christmas special. That is for you guys. We'll have heaps of stuff. Heaps of awesome prizes. Some vendors have come together to give you some amazing gear. So if you want some free FPV gear, you want to hang out, have a good time, there should be a little card that should pop up there. We're going to be having an awesome time doing an FPV special live stream. So I think it's about Christmas time in the USA. It's going to be Boxing Day here in Els. Anyway, that is for you guys, a bit of a community Christmas stream. We do it every single year because you are important, you are valued, you are cared about, and you deserve to have an awesome day. So I can't wait to hang out with you. Then number two, before we talk about almost dying, there is another live stream, actually my standard typical stream, that's going to be talking about the Canex VRX and all about the Ascent. So we've all been wondering what's going on with the Ascent system and the Protoss. Do we actually have a VRX? The answer is yes. So I'm gonna be breaking that down. We're gonna be talking all about that on the stream in like 2 days time from this video, whatever. That should be linked here somewhere as well. Number three, yeah, talking about almost dying, like we all know Australia has scary animals. Ha ha ha, look at those snakes, Stuart. Yeah, I'm not too concerned, you know, it's not great, but when snakes are around your house. Look at the size of this one. However, this morning, going down the stairs, what is at the bottom of them? It is a Australian eastern brown snake. And if you know anything about dangerous animals in Australia, that is like right up here in the list. Those are those ones which you're like, you know what, that actually could kill people and has killed people. So an extremely venomous snake. I've been freaking out just a little bit because like it's right somewhere at the back of the steps. Welcome to Australia, guys, where it's fun for FPV, but all the wildlife wants to kill you. So if you've got any tips, put those down below. And then number four, this has to be the weirdest request I have ever made in the history of like decade of doing this channel. I love FPV, you love FPV. What I also love is some board games right here. So I am trying to track down this board game right here. This is called Talisman. I've been having an absolute blast with it. Sort of, I think it was made about 10 years ago. When you know it, there's like nowhere that sells it online. So I thought, you know what? Maybe out there are some people who play this board game, Talisman, the magical quest game. And if you have a copy, please get in touch with me because I would love to do some awesome trades. Send you a whole bunch of drones and get some things over your way. I'm trying to track down some Talisman stuff. So if you know anything about it, maybe it's not you, but maybe you know some other nerd friends who like to play board games. They might have a copy. That's what I'm trying to track down, some of those expansions. So if that is you, this is my request, sort of using UAVfutures for some personal gain right here. Yeah, I'm really into this board game. I've been playing it with the kids over like this sort of break since they've finished school, having a blast, but I can't find any of the expansions really online. So I don't know, they don't make them anymore. Maybe someone out there has it. So there it is. Stay tuned. The Christmas live stream. I can't wait to hang out with you guys. Have a good time. Remember, you are valued. You are cared about. I can't wait to see you there. Number two, we were talking all about the VRX for the Ascent in that little live stream before that, which is in a couple of days as well. Number three, don't go near Australian eastern brown snakes. I am absolutely freaked out about that one. And number four, like Talisman. If you got it, hit me up. UAVfutures@gmail. We'll figure something out. Drones for you. Board games for me. Other than that, subscribe for more FPV related content. Ho, 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 says Santa Claus or whoever else says it. I don't know. That was just trying to be inclusive for everyone. And as always, happy flying. Whew. It's so hot here with that hat on. I am like melting. It's probably like 35 degrees today. That's Celsius. I don't know what that is in freedom units.